Because of the fast-paced world we live in, most of us are unable to take good care of our health. As a result, nearly 80% of Indians ranging from the age of 25 to 50 are suffering from hypertension. And the reason why it is increasing so steadily is ignorance. So it is very important for us to keep a check on our health on a regular basis. And for that, I have a product here which will help you to do just that. Hi everyone, I'm Benita and today we will be talking all about the fully automatic blood pressure monitor from Omron. On the front, there's the display screen which will show you your results. In case if you don't understand any symbol, you can always refer to the manual because they have provided us with all the information there. On the bottom of this monitor, here is the start and stop button to turn on and turn off this monitor. And on the back, you can see there's the battery compartment here. Let me open it. So we are provided with 4 AA batteries by the company. And on this side, we'll see one more port here. The company has provided us with an option to power this monitor with a DC 6-volt adapter. And here is the port for the air pipe which connects it to the arm cuff. So this is the arm cuff that we get with the monitor. It's grey in color and it is attached to this air pipe. Here you can see that there are different diagrams which will help you use this arm cuff properly. This monitor measures your systolic and diastolic pressure and pulse rate. Now let me tell you how to use this monitor. Operating this monitor is very simple because it's fully automatic. You just have to plug in the air pipe like this and place the arm cuff around your arm. Make sure when you're taking your measurements, you're not moving and you're well seated because this monitor has a body movement detector, and if you're moving, an error will appear on the display and then you have to repeat with the measurements. After placing the arm cuff properly around your arm, press the start button. The arm cuff will start inflating and within a minute it will start deflating. You'll get your results on the display. So this is my result on the display. This is my systolic pressure, this is my diastolic pressure, and this is my pulse rate. This monitor also has a last memory button option so that you can check your previous results. This monitor can also store up to 60 readings, so it's very convenient for you to compare your readings and track your health. As I've already told you, it's fully automatic, so elders can also operate it very easily. So well, that's all about